Kansas is at a crossroad. Our rural way of life is threatened. We can either fight to preserve our birthright, or we can quickly watch it slip away. Farming and ranching are the backbone of a strong Kansas economy. Everything is affected by ag. My dad has worked this land his entire life, just like his dad and the generations before him. But something has changed. Instead of opening new markets and expanding existing markets, artificial barriers have risen. Politicians chose not to negotiate trade agreements that would have created agricultural prosperity. Instead, they served the agenda of the corporations and the investors that lined their pockets. Kansans want solutions to healthcare, infrastructure, and education without sacrificing fiscal responsibility. We want to continue feeding the world through a strong, reliable agricultural community. I don't know what my daughters will choose to do when they grow up, but I want them to have the same opportunities that I had, and I will do whatever it takes to make that happen. Just as I fought for our country in the United States Army, I will fight for our children's future. I will fight for the futures of Republicans, Democrats, Libertarians, Independents, and every citizen of the great state of Kansas and all across the United States of America. My name is LaPolice, and I approve this message. Leadership, farms, family.